Welcome to all. So today we are going to discuss the solution of Laplace equation using numerical methods. The Laplace equation in its standard form, it looks like u double x plus u double t equal to 0. Sometimes u may be given with u double x plus u double y equal to 0. So to find the solution of Laplace equation, here we use two types of formula. First one, ui comma j equal to 1 by 4 into ui comma j minus 1 plus ui comma j plus 1 plus ui minus 1 comma j plus ui plus 1 comma j. This formula is called standard formula or 5-point formula. And the next one, ui comma j equal to 1 by 4 times ui minus 1 comma j plus ui plus 1 comma j ui minus 1 comma j plus 1 it is. ui minus 1 comma j plus 1, ui plus 1 comma j minus 1, ui plus 1 comma j plus 1, ui minus 1 comma j minus 1. So this is called diagonal formula. Here the given problem we have in the previous case, in the case of heat equation and wave equation, differential equation was given along with boundary conditions and initial conditions. Then we are supposed to find a table where the values of the functions are to be determined. Now, in the case of Laplace equation, differential equation will be given along with a rectangular mesh will be given. So there are two types of problems here. One is problems with odd numbered squares, another one problems with even numbered squares. Usually, in the case of odd numbered squares, we will be given with 9 squares, and in the case of even numbered squares, it will be given with 16 squares. So in the case of odd numbered squares, so the given square will be like this, where all these values were given, boundary values, this and these values, and these are all given. We are supposed to find only these values. To find these 4 values, we will apply this standard formula. So in the case of odd numbered squares, we use only standard formula or 5-point formula. So in the case of even numbered squares, here again all these values are given, boundary values are all given. We are supposed to find u1, u2, u3 up to u9. That 9 values we need to find. Here for these values, u5, u2, u4, u6 and u8. For these values, we will apply standard formula. For the remaining, we will apply diagonal formula. So, what do you mean by standard formula and diagonal formula? So, see, suppose I want to find this value. If I apply standard formula, then this will be 1 by 4 times. If I apply standard formula, I am just illustrating what these two formulas are. So u1, if I apply standard formula, then u1 will be this value plus this plus this plus this all divided by 4. That is standard formula, taking the average of coordinates. Diagonal formula is, suppose I want to find this using diagonal formula, then I have to take the average of this diagonal, this one and this one. So if I take the average of diagonals of the entry, that will be the diagonal formula. If I take the average of coordinates, then it is standard formula. So these are the possible types in Laplace equations. Now we are going to solve problems on this. Before that, sometimes you may be asked to find these values by applying iteration. That iteration is called Liebman's iteration. Liebman's iteration process. What you have to do in that case is just find these values as usual. Find u5, u1 to u9, applying diagonal formula and standard formula. Then find all these values again by applying only standard formula. That is Liebman's iteration process. So again I have to find u1 by using standard formula. u2, u3, u4 up to u9. Only standard formula. That is Liebman's iteration process. Now let us try to solve some problems on Laplace equation. So here I'll consider odd, even numbered squares, odd numbered squares that I have given in the notes. So try to solve on your own. The only thing is I have to apply standard formula in the case of odd numbered squares. Then you get 4 equations in 4 unknowns. Then you have to solve that 4 equations and find the values. That is the idea behind odd numbered squares problems in Laplace equations. Now, problem 1, solve u double x plus u double y equal to 0. U double x plus u double y equal to 0 for the following square mesh with the boundary values. For the mesh with boundary values, so write the mesh here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are all boundary values. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. This one 8.7, U7, U4, U1, 11.1. (12.1), U8, U5, U2, 70. (12.8), U9, U6, U3, 19.7. (18.6), 21.9, 21, 17, 9. So this is the given mesh. Now we are supposed to find these values u1 up to u9. Solution. Now look into this u5. That is the center point of the largest square. That is the center point of the largest square. So to find this u5, I have to apply standard formula to find u5. Apply standard formula. That will be, if you apply, write down the formula and substitute the values, then u5 will be actually 1 by 4 times. I have to take the coordinates from largest square. So this one, this and this. So u5 is equal to 1 by 4 times 0 plus 12.1, 0 plus 12.1 plus 21 plus 70. So u5 is 12.525. So we computed this 12.525. Next, I want to compute these values u1, u3, u7, u9. To compute u1, u3, u7, u9. Can we compute this? So to compute this, we have to use diagonal formula. So by diagonal formula, u1 equal to, actually I have to write the formula here. Now I am not going to write the formula. I will directly write the values. u1 equal to 1 by 4 times. So the diagonals are 0 plus 17 plus 0 plus u5. u5 is 12.525. So u1 you get 7.3812. U3 is u5 1 by 4 times of u5, that is 12.525, plus this one diagonal, another one 17, plus 18.6, plus 21. So u3 is 17.8125. u7, so this one, so that is 1 by 4 times, diagonals are 0 plus u5, that is 12.525, plus 12.1 plus 0, so that is 6.1562. Finally u9, that is 1 by 4 times u9, u5, that is 12.525 plus 21 plus 12.1 plus 9. So the average of that four numbers will be u9 equal to 13.6562. So we have computed these values. This, and this. Now to compute the remaining values. We have to apply standard formula to compute u2, u4, u6, u8. By standard formula, u2 equal to 1 by 4 times, average of coordinates I have to take 17.525 plus 17 plus 12.525 plus u1 plus u3. u1 is 7.38125 plus u3 17.8125. So u2 will get 13.54687. Next u4, that is 1 by 4 times u4. 0 plus u1 plus u7 plus u5. 0 plus u5 is 12.525 plus u1 7.38125 plus u7 6.15625. So the average of that four numbers will be u4 equal to 6.51625. Next, similarly, if I compute u6 equal to 1 by 4 times of u6. u5 plus u3 plus 21 plus u9. u5 12.525 plus u3 we have computed here 17.8125 plus 21 plus u9 13.6565. So u6 is 16.1162. Next u8, if you compute it, u8, that is u8 will be average of u5, u7, u9 and 11.09375. So we have computed all the values of the given mesh. So this is the way of finding the solution of Laplace equation. Suppose you are asked to, we are asked to increase accuracy. by iteration. So I'll consider the same problem here. Suppose you are asked to find the accurate values by applying iteration process. In that case, keep all these values, apply standard formula. In that case, what we will have? U1 of 1 will be U1 of 1. To denote, we are applying the iteration process. I will write this one. U1 of 1 equal to 1 by 4 times 0 plus 11.1 plus U4 plus U2. We'll get some value here. That is, say, U1 dash. Next, U2 of 1 will be 1 by 4 times 1 by 4 times. I have U1 there, but instead of that U1, I have to use this one. U1 dash plus U3 plus U5 plus 17. That is U2 dash. Next, U3 will be. Next, U3 will be 1 by 4 times U3 will be 19.7 plus 21.9 plus U6 plus U2 have, I should not use that U2, I should use this value, U2 dash. I'll get something that is U3 dash. Next, U4 equal to 1 by 4 into U1 dash plus 0 plus U7 plus U5. That will be U4 dash. Similarly, next compute U5. U5 will be 1 by 4 times U4 dash. See, I should not write just U4 dash plus U2 dash plus U6 plus U8. We will get U5 dash. Similarly, you have to compute U6. While computing U6, instead of U5, you have to use this value. So, if I repeat the process till U9, that will be the Lehmann's iteration process to get more accurate answer. U9 dash. This is 1. You get U9 dash. So, the required values are U1 dash, U2 dash, so this is the way of finding the solution of Laplace equation. So I have to apply Lehmann process if it is asked to find the accurate values by applying iteration process. So you will be given with 9 squares or 16 squares. If you are given with 9 squares, then apply only standard formula to find that 4 values inside the square. If you are given with 16 squares, then you have to apply standard formula to U5, U2, U4, U6, U8 and diagonal formula for U1, U3, U7, U9. Then if you are asked to find accurate answer by applying iteration process, then do like this. So this is about Laplace equation. So totally we have discussed heat equation, wave equation and Laplace equation. There is only one more method, that is Nicholson method, Crank-Nicholson method, that I have not included now. So if you study this, that is enough for unit 5. So in the next video we shall discuss canonical forms, that is unit 2.